So tonight, no, I have a big realization sa akong life. Like when I was a kid, I dreamed of becoming a professional living in a big city, particularly in Iligan, because I used to live in Siquijor, Asa with my grandma only because my parents live in Iligan. So the life there is very simple, dude. Like we woke up at 4 a.m. kay maligo before going to school, like an hour away baklay guys para lang sa among liguan. And going back sa among balay, singot-singot na pod kayo mi kay we used to carry a big palanggana sa ulo nga na among mga laundry, among mga nilabhan ba. On the weekends, mga mig kahoy to sell it to our neighbors. And sometimes we get mga seedlings sa mga mahogany to sell it to Uncle Nitoy for 25 cents each. And also, we gather rocks, small rocks in a small laton. Or kaya itong butanganan sa biscuit for 5 pesos each. And I cannot imagine the small version of me nga makaya nagbit-bit guys. Bugat na bato. Because of the determination no nga para mga kwarta ko sa bata pa ko naling jog kay ko guys. So I used to sell also mga gulay, sibuyas, ahos. Amo na siyang ilako ibaklay. Bibingka with my lola. We used to live a simple life. Like walay kurente sa mo adito for grade 1 ko walay kurente. But pagka grade 2 na mo nanay kurente, nagpa-business na po ni og pay-per-view. Like we will play one movie for 1 pesos each sa entrance. And sikat mi sa una sa kangasa guys kay kami rin ay TV and salida. So that's the routine of my life there. Like it's very simple. Say mananamig mais, mani, and kamuting kahoy. And maglubok mi og mais again, saging. And ano, I'm an adult. I want to live that life again. Like after all the responsibilities I have here in Ilig. Okay, I cannot live Iligan man good with my pending responsibilities. And everyone knows about it. Kaya chismosa guys. But if you have Starlink, maybe you can donate. I will use that. Kaya I'm a virtual assistant. So I just want to live back in Siquijor, no? Not because Siquijor is very famous nowadays. Because our house there is very far away sa San Juan. So bukid siya. And my mom's owns a big lot there na possible for staycation. Atong mga plans sa life, guys. And also, before going abroad, I want to live a life na inana na pod. So, guys, don't be an evil eye of my dreams. Don't bash. No, keep on bashing. Kay pikon ra ba ko, guys. So yeah, everything changed. Like when I was a kid, I dreamed of becoming a successful professional living in a big city. Here I am now. I want to go back to live in Siquijor. So even though wala na dito ang mga people I spend my childhood days with, especially my Lola Andang, the friends that I have when I was a kid, even though wala na sila or they are married na, living in their own life, I just want to spend there the remaining days here in Philippines, kung maka-abroad ta, living in Siquijor. A simple life. Hindi na siya same before, pero di kay paspas ang life dito guys. Like pwede na akong mga sudan sa mong silingan. Basta inisudan, inigulay nga na ay tuno. Goods na kay kuha na. So whatever your dreams now, try big or small, enjoy.